To make an appointment at the DMV for a written test, start by visiting the official website of your state's Department of Motor Vehicles. On the website, navigate to the Appointments or Scheduling section, where you will find the option to book an appointment for a written test. Choose your preferred location and date, then select the type of test you want to take. Such as a driver's license or learner's permit test. You will be asked to provide some personal details, including your name, date of birth, and contact information. Once you have filled in the required information, review your appointment details to ensure everything is correct. You will receive a confirmation email or text message with your appointment details, which you should keep for your records. It is recommended that you arrive at least 30 minutes before your scheduled appointment time, with all the necessary documents, including proof of identity and residency. Be prepared to take the written test, and consider studying the driver's manual beforehand to increase your chances of passing. Some DMV offices may offer online check-in or virtual waiting rooms, which can help reduce wait times. Take advantage of these services if they are available, and be patient and courteous to the DMV staff, as they are there to assist you. By following these steps and being prepared, you can make a successful appointment at the DMV for a written test and take the first step towards obtaining your driver's license. Remember to stay calm and focused during the test, and do not hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Making an appointment at the DMV can save you time and reduce stress. So take the time to do it right and you will be driving in no time. Be sure to follow all the instructions provided by the DMV and to bring all the required documents to avoid any delays or complications. It is also a good idea to check the DMV website for any specific requirements or restrictions, such as any necessary documents or fees, before making your appointment. By being informed and prepared, you can make the process as smooth and efficient as possible.